In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a drop-down menu on your Wix website. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing that we need to do once we are inside our website editor is come over to the left-hand side bar here. And first of all, we will need a menu. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to the Add Elements section. And then you want to scroll down and then go over to Menu and Anchor and choose one of these that you like the look of. In today's video, I will just choose this one. You can then resize this and move it around the website as you wish. And then once you have done this, you will then be able to go to the Pages and Menu option. And then from here, you want to come down to the bottom. You want to click on Add Menu Item. And then you want to select Dropdown. Once we do this, you will then be able to name this. So this could be, just name it whatever you like. In today's video, I will name it Other. Click on Done. And then from here, what you can do is you can drag and drop any of the existing items from the top right here. And what we can also do is we can also add other pages. So if we click on Add a New Page, click on a blank page, for example. And then once we go back over here, I will just put in Tutorial. And then you can then drag and drop this below the drop down. And then once you do that, that will mean that when you go over to your website, once you go ahead and go back to home, as we can see right here, once we hover over the option of Other, that will then become now a drop down menu. So if we click on Preview, what you will notice, we have now got a drop down. All we need to do is reposition this under the Other option. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a drop down menu on Wix.